Hello, welcome back to LeEdFollow. Today I'm going to do a little unboxing of something I'm a bit excited about. And if you're following this series of BRZ EZ30 conversion videos, this will be probably quite exciting for you also. So I have here the shiny new headers from Raptor Superchargers, and I'm going to do an unboxing. Now, I promise I haven't looked inside this box yet. It only turned up today. I've literally just scored it so that I wouldn't need to do that here on the video. But let's open it up and let's take a look at what we get in the box. And okay, right, well, a sticker, always nice, and some flanges with some bolts. But let me get these out and show you them. They're a little smaller than I thought they were going to be, in all honesty. But I don't know why I thought they were going to be bigger, because it's a flat 6. The manifold is only three pipes long on each side. But let's undo these and take a look. I mean, before I've even taken them out of the cover, I can see how high quality these are. Wow, those are really shiny. So that's some fantastic welding around there. I'll try to get some close-up shots for you, but they are definitely worth the money. Check out that in the collector. Really clean, the 3-into-1 design. Fantastic. I'm really happy with those. They don't weigh too much either. One of the problems with the standard headers on the EZ30 or EZ36 is they're all cast, they're quite heavy. But these, really, really quite light. Really shiny. Yeah. Very happy with that. So, yeah, don't know whether you can see inside that. It's all been nicely welded and smoothed. The welding around the 3 pipes into the collector there, fantastic, nothing sharp, very high quality. Again, picture of the inside, the 3-into-1 collector. Lovely, really happy with that. And of course, also in the box, we've got the 3-port gaskets for the engine side, and we've got some flange gaskets in there as well. So yeah, now to be clear, these are not specific for fitting an EZ30 into a BRZ or 86. These headers are actually designed for Subaru Legacy, or as it's called in Australia, the Subaru Liberty. And when I spoke to Raptor Supercharged, they did tell me these probably won't fit a BRZ, but I need a starting point. The donor engine that I'm going to get almost certainly won't come with headers, and even if it did, I wouldn't want to use them anyway. So my idea is that if this is in the wrong place to clear the subframe on a BRZ, I might be able to either space it out a little bit, drop it, or maybe even get a machine shop to trim it a little bit to make it higher. I'm really not that sure at the moment. One thing that is possible, I think, it did cross my mind, is that I might actually be able to put these headers on backwards so that the pipes are actually going towards the front of the car instead of backwards. And that will probably give me a little bit more space. And then what I can do is I can actually have, rather than having a wide pipe behind the engine, like below the gearbox, I can actually have almost like a bit of a wide pipe in front of the engine, merging the 2 sets of headers into a single pipe. And then from the front, I can actually have that curved round and then backwards, which pretty much brings it into the same position as where the standard BRZ 86 exhaust system is. So that's one option. But yeah, it's a bit early to know, but I thought these are very cool. You might want to see these, so I'm sharing them now. So yeah, hopefully before Christmas I will order my EZ30, and we'll get it on the engine stand here, and we'll just finger tighten these up just to see how they look. I'll try them in the expected position with the flanges heading backwards in the car, but I'll also try them in the forwards position just to see if they clash with the sump or anything else on the underneath the car. This is all unknown territory for me. These are the kind of questions that I couldn't find by looking on the internet at people that have already done the swap. So we are very much making this up as we go along. But yes, happy to share these with you. Hope you enjoyed seeing them, but short video today. So thanks for watching, and when anything else happens or anything shiny turns up, I'll be sure to let you know. But yeah, take care. Bye for now.